my name is Dora. I'm a format expert, and this video is to show you how to add your site's contact email address, which is the email address notifications from your site's contact form and client galleries will go to. In order to achieve this, you will need to go to the Settings area located here in the lower left side corner of your screen and the toolbar. Then click on Site, and if you scroll down the page, you will see a field dedicated to the site contact email address, where you can enter your email address. After that, you can press the Save Changes button and apply that email address as your site's contact email. I hope this has been helpful to you. If you have any other questions, please do feel free to reach out to us via chat. The chat icon is located here in the lower right-hand side corner, or via email at info@format.com, and we'd be more than happy to help.